So basically, I really see the future of the industry just in Canada really catching up. The US is pretty far ahead right now, but things like CanBIM and stuff are really helping us catch up and really kind of getting up to their level. And, from a lot of the presentations today, we've really seen how the collaboration and communication on these projects is really benefiting everyone along in the project. And I think as we go, owners are really going to start catching on, and that's when we're really going to see a big push, especially in Canada. So that's where I really see the future going. I see the biggest challenge in terms of where we're going, basically getting the owners on board, and I really think that through things like this and getting owners in the room and hearing some of these presentations and really not just sugarcoating how these projects are going, but really seeing, some of the issues that come along, but also the real benefits that we're getting out of the projects. I really think that when the owners start taking notice and really seeing that that's going to even affect their pocketbook, that's really when we're going to start going here. What my company's done to move the BIM agenda forward is, we're not just focused on, large complex projects or industrial projects where, BIM, you're getting a bigger benefit, but we're looking at using BIM in basically every project and even, multi-residential and stuff like that. We're really looking at using it across the board for everyone's benefit, whether it's the subs or the architects, the consultants, but really we're trying to bring it a large benefit towards the owner, and that's really what we're trying to do. And that's, I think, what we're really client focused, so that's really where our firm is trying to bring a large benefit to the whole aspect here. Owners are requesting, they really want to see better collaboration on projects. They don't want to see people at the table. Generally on more 2D projects, quite often you have more animosity and stuff like that. And owners are really looking at gaining a collaboration and gaining time and gaining efficiencies along the way. So that's really, owners are trying to spec more BIM projects because then that's going to just really benefit them long-term on these projects. For anyone thinking about coming to these regional sessions, I would say, it's a pretty large benefit. Whether you don't know anything about building information modeling or you're quite knowledgeable, you can get stuff from every presentation. Myself, I've done quite a bit of stuff with BIM, but I still gained a lot from every presentation that we had today. Whether it's the architect speaking or from the contractor standpoint or from the owner standpoint, even myself, I feel like I'm pretty advanced on BIM, but even myself, I'm gaining quite a bit from being at these sessions. So, across the board, from the lowest education to the highest education, everyone can gain from these regional sessions.